Hey, what's going on? Back at it with another small engine maintenance video. This time we have the Briggs Stratton 550EX 140cc small engine. General maintenance includes changing the air filter, replacing the spark plug, and changing the engine oil. You can get a kit that comes with these three items. Part number 490, 950, Y065. Cost about 35 bucks. We're only gonna stick to the small engine. We're not gonna do maintenance anywhere else. And before starting any work on your small engine, make sure that there's no fuel. Make sure that your fuel is empty. And you're gonna have to remove the spark plug wire for safety reasons. Might be a little hard to reach. You're gonna probably need some spark plug wire pullers, spark plug wire pliers. You can easily pull out the wire with these, no problem. Changing out the air filter on this is as easy as changing out your socks. Unless, of course, you're Popeye from the movie Blood In, Blood Out. It's located behind this housing in the front, and you're just gonna snap in the new one. Orientation doesn't matter. You might need to vacuum the inside of the housing, and voila, as easy as that. Up next, we have the spark plug. It takes a generic 5/8" automotive magnetic spark plug socket. This one has been loosened beforehand. You might need a 3" extension. And like I always say, a spark plug that doesn't spark is just a plug. The new one should be pre-gapped, and you're just gonna thread it on there carefully. Get the right angle. Don't use any power tools or you're gonna cross thread this easily. Now we're gonna tighten this off camera, and we're gonna move on to the engine oil. To change the oil, you're gonna have to tip over the small engine. It doesn't have an oil drain plug. This small engine is on a lawnmower. The lawnmower is model TB110. And for these, you're gonna have to tip over the lawnmower. When you put in the new engine oil, the kit comes with SAE 30. This one's perfect for the temperatures in my area. I used about 12 ounces out of 15. And that completes basic maintenance. Don't forget your spark plug wire. And with basic maintenance now complete, this engine is set up for a reliable future. A little maintenance goes a long way. So see ya.